Tatay na lang ko ng ano, tatay. Ito sa ano ko.
Choose your man, choose your man.
Steal by number 26. That's illegal dribbling, carrying the ball violation. Carrying the ball violation. Rebound by number 5. Go to your players, man-to-man defense. Ali, number 17, hand check foul, number 17, Sama. That was your first personal foul, first team. Oops. Ali. Intercepted by number 5, pass to Sama. Sama. Yes, sir! Correct for number 17. Saba. Adi dribbling the ball. Signaling a play. Almost intercept. Pass to number 10.
Go, attack, Jacob!
Behind the back dribble, number 10. Number 26 losing the handle. Same ball.
Natawa siya pagka-shoot eh.
Number 26, small. Okay, all in favor of Infinity.
Yung Tito. Yung Tito, yung kapatid namin.
Rebound number 26 to number 5. Pass to Saba, intercepted by number 10, recovered by Saba, number 17, Saba. Okay, we have a warning for double team, Infinity.
Kuya, bawal ba double team? Bawal?
Go to your man-to-man defense. Number 26, lays up. Yes, sir, correct. Left hand lays up.
Last one, Jacob!
There's the foul. Committed by number 26. Oh.
One more! Tatawa to si Jacob eh. One more, Jacob. Jacob, relax. Relax.
Rebound by Saba. Saba near the ball. Court to court. He is connect for Saba. Number 17. Adi dribbling the ball.
We're going na?
Adi. There's the foul.
Bye, Sisi. See you later.
26. Lucky foul number 26. That's your second personal foul. Intercepted by number 17, Saba. Saba lays up. Yes, sir. Connect. 5-3, 5 out. Pasarel.
Lagot ka kay Ali. Ali!
Raja, go!
Lonitan!
Malyari dribbling the ball. Intercepted by number 7. Number 8 pass to number 7.
Nice one.
Almost intercept. Step out of bounds. Black line, we're using the black line.
Go, go!
Malyari hit. So connect. 2 points. Saba connect. 2 points. 10 against 4. Ali pass to Malyari. Number 24. There's a foul, number 8, pushing foul, number 8. That was your first personal foul. Third team fouls.
Nice one.
Malyari, fade away, no, rebound with number 8. Steal by number 30. There's a foul. Working number 17, Saba. Saba, that's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Oops. Steal. Saba, there's a foul. Foul on number 23.
Bakit tayo kanina walang free throw? Ba't walang free throw kanina? Bakit tayo walang free throw? Magaling siya, no?
First row connect for Saba. Second row ready jumpers.
Go! Ali! Ali!
Number 23.
Yes!
Basket foul on number 26. That was your first personal foul, number 26. Penalty. Penalty hoops. There's a foul committed by number 00. Number 00. That was your
Okay.
first personal foul penalty. Ready jumpers.
Naku, kasama pala yun.
Rebound by number 17, Base Sabah.
Seven.
There's a foul committed by number 23, holding foul number 23. Ball. Second na? That was your second personal foul number 23.
Nasanay sa DYDL, no?
Second team, number 8. Lays up, too strong, rebound by number 7. Pass to number 0. Using the glass now, rebound by number. Steal by number 8. Number 0. There's a foul committed by number 34. Malyari that your first personal foul, 13 fouls, Infinity. First row, no. Ready jumpers.
Lumabas na siguro. Andiyan siya kanina to. Ayun, siguro.
Yes, sir. Split charity for number 0.
Double team! Nagdo-double team!
Malyari fadeaway jumps, no. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 17, Sabah. Sabah lays up, yes, sir, connect. Ali.
Go, Ali!
Pass to number 23. Number 23. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Sabah.
Traveling!
Oh. 27 seconds remaining. Seconds.
Hoy, double team!
You beat the ball. Oh, shot. There's a foul. Committed by number 17, Sabah. You have third.
Yes!
Third personal foul, Sabah. First row, no. Ready jumpers. Split charity for Malyari, 18 seconds.
Still!
15 seconds. 10.
Nice one!
8 seconds remaining. Eight seconds.
Nathan, pasa!
5.
Nathan, pasa! Yun! Ay, sayang!
Number 2. Pass to number 0. Loses the handle. He steals by number 5. Pass to Alain. Alain giving the ball. Pass to number 7. To number 8. Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity. Number 10 dribbling the ball, closely guarded by Ian. Number 10 now, rebound by number 2. Number 2.
Goal!
Jumps.
Ay, wala pa
Number
rin.
8. Pass to number 7. Number 7 giving the ball. Number 7. There's a foul. Committed by number 0 in the act of shooting. Two free throws for number 7. First throw. No.
Kabingi.
Jacob, rebound.
Rebound by number 2. Steal by number 7. Number 5, in and out. Rebound by Ian, number 26. And there's a foul. Foul on number 0. That was your second personal foul, number 0.
Katusog.
First row for Alain. Sorry, miss. Jumpers ready. Not again. Rebound by number 10. Pass to. Ball out of bounds. Cannot handle the ball.
Jacob, your time.
Ay, umalis na yan.
Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity.
Yung ano? Hindi ko alam. Magbabayad ba siya?
Number 10. Closely guarded by number 5. Foul on number 5. Saad. That's your first personal foul. First team.
Ay!
Steal by number 6. Jude. 2 points.
Wala si Mark?
Go.
Hindi na naman dinala yung mga
Number 10, closely guarded. Number 10, Faith. Oy. That's a troubling violation.
Wala!
Steal by number 2.
Jacob. Jacob.
Pass to number 20. Steal by Ian. Ian, number 26. Yes, sir. Correct.
Go, go.
Yes!
By number 2. Jude. Jude lays out using the glass.
Ang galing nila.
Okay, double team. Double team.
Kanina pa nagdo-double team eh.
Warning. Both teams, we have warning for no double team. Number 0. Pass to number 23. Rebound by Ian, number 26. Ian. Change 5, change 5. 5 in, 5 out.
Pwesto, pwesto!
Go to your man-to-man defense. Man-to-man defense.
Yan! Ay, isa pa! Sige!
Ali, there's a foul from behind. Foul committed by number 7. Number 7. That was your first personal foul, second team. Oh.
Lakas!
Rebound number 4 Aliani.
All fourth na yun.
Foul
Ay,
committed
hindi pa pala to.
number 26 Ian. That was your third personal foul, Ian. You have 3 fouls, Ian. First row, no. Ready, jumpers. Rebound by Allen. Pass to Jude. Jude to Ian. Ian. What's the call, rep? Okay. Double team, technical. Okay, technical, double teaming. To the toilet, follow him. Follow everywhere. Yeah. Malyari, no double teaming. Man-to-man defense, 1v1.
Isa pa!
1v1.
Ay, wala talaga!
There's a foul committed by number 34. Second personal foul, number 34, Malyari. Second team fouls, both teams.
Nathan, use the board!
Find your players.
Ay! Uy, ano yun?
Jude, pass to Allen.
Pa?
All out of bounds in favor of Infinity. Malyari. Yes, sir. Correct. 3 minutes remaining.
Kanino ba na yun?
Number 7. Pass.
Nice one!
Is step out of bounds. Time out. Malyari. There's a
Sayang! Sabay! Oh! Foul!
pushing foul. What is the whistle? Find your players, find your players. Jersey number 26. We have a whistle. Score. Foul, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 in the class. First personal foul.
Tabi mo yung chair mo.
Okay, let's do good. Good. Pass to jersey number 26. Take the shot. Yes, jersey number 30. Ball in progress. Ball in progress.
Ay!
Jersey number 30, Ali Lee. Foul jersey number 5, Christian foul, warning for penalty. Guys, find your players, position 30. Find your man.
Pero sa kanila meron. Let's go. Shot!
No, jersey number out of bounds. 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining for the second period. Our score 11-22 in favor of Hoops Basketball. Alin. Jersey number 26, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Oh! Who is the winner? Oh! Grabe! Behind the back. Jersey number 40, behind the back again. Intercepted. Jersey number 4, seconds to play. Jersey number 14. We have a whistle.
We have a whistle.
Foul in jersey number 5, Jude. Penalty. Jersey number 5, Jude, that was third coach. Jude is on their jersey line. No, Zoran is for wearing jersey number 3. Make jersey number 14 color. No, police the rebound. Foul, warning jersey number 2.
Nakasabit si
Warning for penalty.
Nakasabit si Ali dun sa
Warning for penalty. Infinity.
Nice one! Oh! Defense!
Inbound violation.
Ayan na, gising na sila!
No. Wait,
Same ball! Si Omar. Si Omar. Omar na mali.
Oh, jersey number 55. That was jersey number 5. That was foul.
May kiliti. Dito, walang kiliti. Dito, may kiliti yan sa kiliti. Lakas! Isa pa!
Jersey number 26.
Nice ball! Ay! Hindi na balay! Ay!
Foul warning jersey number 24. Penalty.
Nagagalit.
3 seconds. Jersey number 34. What is the result?
Nagbibideo na si Victor. Victor, ayan! Napahinga na si Mami.
Okay, rebound. Okay, go to your spot. Okay, let's go.
Mami yun ni Raja. Nakakamukha sa...
3 seconds remaining. 3. Police party. Go, your man.
Let's go,
Jacob, run!
Gian, kaya-kaya mo yan.
One more player. Right to the blue. One more player.
Jacob! Jacob! Doon na yung ring niyo.
Si Abdul kasali na, oh.
Medyo ka dyan.
Go! Go!
Go!
Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, Pastor Carlos. Carlos loses the handle. Hey! Good. No advantage, no problem. Jersey number 10. It's a block. Okay. Jersey number 10, Pastor Marinari. Marinari.
Hindi kasi Malyari.
William Rose. Foul jersey number 17.
Nakabukan.
Apat na si Raja.
First team foul.
Ikaw, di mo sinasabi nga lang sa labas.
Jersey number 17, that was good. Coach. Also Disaba for personal. Also Jude for personal.
Sabit na yun, no? May sabit na, no? Yung dalawa. Sabit, tsaka yung malaki. Nag-aapit na daw sila eh.
Apat na yun.
Jersey number 23.
Nagbubo sila.
No, they lost. Here's the rebound. Jersey number 23. So good. One is doing seven. Table. 12 seconds to shoot. 10.
Ay, lakas!
Here we go.
Sino foul? Oo, sino? Marami na ano sila, gagraduate. Ba't hindi sinabi?
Number 14.
Yes! Pinalitan na.
Gentleman, who's your buddy? Spider-Man. Carlos. Carlos. Intercept by Saba. 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 All the way. There's the number 10. Miscommunication, out of bounds, in favor of blue. The score is there. Okay, isa, ay wala. Wait, what? After the wicket lead, by Hibs First row coming from number 26.
Jacob, back up.
Let's just stop pairing up.
Stop.
Hoy, double team! Double team! Double team yun!
You have 2.4 fouls. Technical free throw connect.
Let's go, Jacob!
Go, go.
Short step, Jacob! Short step, Jacob!
Go!
Ball out of bounds.
Your man.
Yeah! Oh, yeah! What arrows there? Airball!
Ball out of bounds in favor of Infinity.
Go, go.
Bilisan nyo yung oras!
Go, go.
Pass!
Two points, Sabah.
Come on!
Go, 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 David.
Nice one!
Ball out of bounds.
Hoy!
There's a foul committed to number 7. Number 7. That was your third personal foul, number 7. 13.
Change five na! Change five!
Change 5. 5 in, 5 out.
Palo! Palo! Dami nun! Grabe!
Mariay.
Nice one! Isa pa! Huli mo!
Drop that! Miss! Here! Graduate!
Committed by number 7, substitution run. Number 7. That was your fourth personal foul, number 7. Fourth personal foul, number 7.
Third quarter na to. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, ubos na yung player.
Gusto yung players niya. Ba't walang free throw yun?
Hadi.
Ah! Sayang talaga. Mga puyat kasi. Steal! What quarter is this? What quarter is this?
Foul committed by number 14, Hadi. That was your first personal foul.
Ethan, score!
Hunt them. Yeah, good deal.
Nanunulak sila. Shot! Ay, nako. Wala foul.
There's a foul committed by number 14, Hadi.
Na, ba't sa amin walang
That
foul?
was your second personal foul, Hadi. 13 fouls in Philippines.
Nathan, bomb them in the side.
Bandaan.
Nathan, sure ball ka.
Come on, go cheer your brother. Cheer your brother.
Time mo, timer, oh, time.
Nice one. Go! Manunulak na naman yan. Go, 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 go!
Oh, graduate.
Graduate! Graduate!
Number 26, Ian, you have 4 personal fouls.
Hoy! Five na! Five! 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 Five na
Dalawa
yan!
silang 26 po. Dalawa silang 26.
No, fourth kanina!
Isa, yung isa. Substitution.
Yes!
2 points, number 0.
Wala, puyat yan. Saba! Yes! Hahabol na yan! Hahabol na!
Okay, technical for infinite. Substitution, substitution.
Jacob! Jacob!
Hindi ka nadidinig ko.
Jacob!
26! Yung 26!
Huwag na batin yung banger.
Okay, defense!
Defense! Defense! Signal! Yeah, okay, jump ball! Okay, yellow ball! Yellow ball! Nice one! Pasa kay Adi!
Alam niya ang travel yun siya.
Hands up ka lang! Hands up! Hands up!
Substitution, substitution. There's a foul committed with number 00. That was your second personal foul, number 00. Third team fouls. Oops. Late charity for number 10.
Jacob, your man!
Hoy, double team! Double team! Double team!
All out of bounds in favor of Infinity.
Actually, insulting. They're insulting you.
All out of bounds in favor of Hurst.
Dayton, help!
Defense! Defense!
No, the lock is actually crazy. He carried like 6, 7.
Substitution. Team Ali, foul number 11.
Okay, Jacob!
Fucking! Fucking!
Go, go!
imagine nito.
Time!
Imagine sa man na 3 points.
Two points.
Defense! Defense!
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Ball out of bounds in favor of Benfica.
9-3!
There's a foul committed by number 28.
It's okay, Adi!
10-14.
It's okay, Adi! Defense! Defense!
Adi. Second personal foul.
Come on! 3 more! Please! Speed, I need it! Humble! Sige! Sige! Ay, lakas! Sama!
Defense! Let's go!
Stand! 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 Oy, foul! Foul!
Jacob.
Oh, you forgot the guy with the one
Number 10.
6-7 brother.
Go! Let go! Let go!
First personal foul.
Pagod na si Nathan. Help, Nathan!
Coach, you have 6 players. Oops.
Go to shot!
Steal the ball! Steal! 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 Pass!
Last 2 minutes. Thirteen fouls.
Stepping on the line.
The bench actually.
Let go! Let go!
Sabay naman ang Infinity, sila pa lumapit.